How to fix the error 267 for your Roblox account, the error that states that you have been banned from a particular experience or you have been kicked out from any particular game in Roblox. So, I'll be giving you some troubleshooting methods that you can potentially use to get yourself unbanned or hopefully resolve this issue. So, the first thing that you can do is simply click onto this more option right here over the left hand side. Now, once you do this, you can see this health and safety. So, click onto this, and from here, click onto the violation and appeals, and using this you can click onto the support and appeal something, or especially regarding that you were falsely accused and get yourself banned. So using this support, hopefully you will get yourself unbanned from that particular game. Or if that does not work, what you can try to do is simply search for Roblox on your taskbar, and then within the Roblox player, click on this option that says open file location. Now this will give you the shortcut location. So right click onto this again, and then again click open file location. And from here you can see the Roblox player beta. Click onto this right click and then click onto the more options. And from here choose the properties option. Go to the compatibility and make sure that these three check marks are checked in, and then you can click and apply and try restarting your game, and hopefully it will work. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.